beauties, happy Christmas. I hope you guys have a happy Christmas and wonderful tidings for you this year. And I'm hoping to tell you today about a few Christmas present ideas. So I've got some really cool ideas for Christmas presents that I've been really enjoying myself. I feel like all these things that I bought are really beautiful and they're really great for women. And I'll tell you some things for men as well, which are really nice for Christmas. So something I've been really loving recently is these alcohol-free oils, which are like perfume oils. And they're from Bhaktivedanta Manor. And there's a Hare Krishna store on the internet. I will leave a link in the description of this really awesome store, and they've got these really nice perfumes and they smell really nice. They're alcohol free and they're really nice, and I really am loving luxury scent as well, which is on Amazon. And they've got some really nice perfume oils with no alcohol in it, which are so delectable, so divine. I've got this exotic Rajni Ganda oil and it's really nice. It smells wonderful. I love the smell of it. And this exotic rose one and the Oud Amber. And I've been really loving the incenses by Bhaktivedanta's store as well, which is just like a Hare Krishna temple, and they sell loads of really nice products, and I think their products are really unique. They're really cool for Christmas gifts because they're so unique and they're so special. Something else I've been loving are these bunny slippers. So if you go to Amazon and type bunny slippers, I think bunny slippers are such a cute idea for a Christmas gift. I think it's a really unique idea, and I like my unique ideas for Christmas gifts, and I think these bunny slippers are so cute on Amazon. So go ahead, go on Amazon, have a look at bunny slippers, because I think that people would really love that for Christmas. And something else that I've also been loving is rituals. Quite a few of these incenses from Bhaktivedanta Manor, and there's this Oud Amber incense, and there's this Rose Bulgaria incense, and this one's stunning. They smell really divine, and Shiam Agarwood incense. It will make your home like a temple, and it really feels nice to light the incense and just relax. It feels really heartwarming and beautiful. So if you want to know where I got my bodysuit from, which is this top that I'm wearing now, it's a really pretty top, and it's a bodysuit, and it's from House of CB. And House of CB is really luxurious. They even have this like cute little Santa dress, this burgundy like flared Santa dress, and it's super cute. And I've been loving some of the clothes from House of CB at the moment. So if you're thinking about shopping for a woman, then I definitely think House of CB is definitely a must buy, because their clothes are really unique, special, high quality, and they're really beautiful. So make sure to check the size chart when you are buying from House of CB, because sometimes the sizes come up a little bit tight. I'm wearing an extra small bodysuit from House of CB, and it's really nice. I bought myself leggings as well. That's another good Christmas gift, leggings. And luxury bath set. One of the best hair masks that I've ever used is one called Chris Appleton Money Hair Mask by Color Wow. And it's such a luxurious hair mask. I think a woman or a man would love to have that hair mask, because it makes your hair really shiny. A book that I've been really loving right now is Shaolin Spirit by Shi Heng Yi, and he's a really awesome guy. You should definitely check him out on Instagram, because he posts some really inspirational, motivational videos, and it's really cool. This book is really intelligent, and I think it's really good for helping you with your life and like your life circumstances. I feel like every word that he writes is very intelligible, and I really appreciate his writing. So go check out this book. This is a good book to buy somebody for Christmas. For men, the Amber Pour Homme perfume by Prada is absolutely gorgeous. It's a stunning perfume, and I think that this is a really nice make. It smells really nice as well. Prada perfumes for men and women are a really good must buy for Christmas. I feel like they're really stunning, and they have a really unique smell, and they're really precious, and they have like the best perfumes, Prada. So go check out that. My most favorite one is the Prada Candy Floral. That's one of my most favorites. It reminds me of the Divine. And another one that I really love is the Prada Paradox Intense. That's my favorite one. The Prada Paradox is really good as well, but I love the Intense one. It has a really special like hot summer smell, and it smells really gorgeous. So go check that out. Christmas decorations, shoes. Oh, you should check out the shoes on Amazon. They have really nice shoes. Maybe you can buy your woman a like a pair of nice heels. I found a nice pair of like plump black heels, and they're really nice. I think that's stunning. These are the heels that I got from Amazon, and they're really gorgeous. I really think that these are a really nice buy for your woman or your mum. They're stunning. I really love these heels as well. They're really stunning. They're by Ajvani. They're really nice. From Amazon. You can buy some candles or some crystals. I think crystals are a really nice gift. Or you should buy them Nature's Whispers tarot cards. They're oracle cards, and they're really good oracle cards. I think oracle cards are a really fun way to spend Christmas if you're thinking of doing something a bit witchy. I know Halloween's over, but Christmas is always an exciting time to do tarot cards and oracle cards. I'm really loving House of CB at the moment. They have some really gorgeous dresses, and I bought quite a few recently, and hopefully I can do a haul on them soon because they're really stunning and I absolutely love them. Something else I've also been loving is this crystal water bottle. It's like got a crystal in the middle and it's supposed to charge your water with positive energy. This Miss Dior perfume is really nice as well. I love this. It's so cute. My mum bought it for me. Oh, and something that I have been absolutely adoring right now. I've eaten it all up, but Waitrose are doing a Christmas vegetable festive feast. And it's vegan and it's so delicious. It tastes like Christmas itself. And it's stunning and I love the food. It was so yummy. But like moisturizers, creams, Dermalogica is another really good brand for creams. If you're looking to give your man or woman a special gift, Dermalogica is one of the best. And that concludes my video. I hope that was exciting for you and I hope that you enjoyed my video. Definitely check out those oils by Bhakti Vedanta store because they are stunning. You'll be so pleasantly surprised by how well they smell and how gorgeous the scents are. I love you guys so much. Thank you for watching. Like, subscribe, hit the bell next to the subscribe button. Check me out on Cameo and click a snap link in the description. And I love you guys. Have a happy Christmas. Many tidings and many joys to you people. I love you. Bye.